Here are the 4 best 30-inch gas cooktop. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Empava 30-inch stainless steel 5 Italy Sabaf burners. Empava gas cooktop is engineered and designed in the USA with 2 years of manufacturer warranty. The cooktop has 5 burners, and it features one of the latest failure thermocouples auto shut-off protection technology that prevents the gas from being leaked, thus keeping your family and home safe. The gas cooktop comes with sealed burners to avoid the food from falling into them. The heat and stain discoloration-resistant stainless steel surface provides you with a reliable and quality cooktop for years to come. Empava recessed gas cooktop provides you the flexibility that you will need to make all your favorite dishes and food with flair and precision. 4 different burner sizes: a 10,000 BTU burner, double 6,500 BTU burner, 4,000 BTU burner, and a dual ring 12,000 BTU burner. Number 2. Frigidaire FGGC 3047 QS Gallery 30-foot gas cooktop. FGGC 3047 QS is our top choice for 30-inch gas cooktops and is ideal for most families. Designed with top-notch construction materials, the sealed burners are easy to clean with dishwasher-safe cast iron grates and have a wide range of cooking temperatures. You do not have to have a peak every time you wish to control the flame. The knobs are sizable and super responsive. Along with easy control, they also come with a good grip that comes very handy when the chef is wearing gloves or mittens. Number 3. GE JGP 5030 SLSS 30-inch gas cooktop. GE has delivered a really solid best 30-inch gas cooktop with the JGP 5030 SLSS. We love GE's commitment to deliver outstanding products, and there are good reasons why JGP 5030 SLSS can be the most suitable best 30 gas cooktop. GE JGP 5030 SLSS offers features such as precise simmer burner, heavy-duty dishwasher safe grates, stainless steel cooktop, max burner system, and fit guarantee for easy replacement. Just like most high-end cooktops, the continuous grates with this cooktop are nicely done to move heavy cookery while cooking. Number 4. Frigidaire Professional 30-inch gas cooktop. Frigidaire Professional FPGC 3077 RS 30-inch gas cooktop has solid construction, great design, and all the features expected in a high-end cooktop. We love its ergonomic design with 5 well-placed burners in a 30-inch space. The abundant cooking space is like having a 3/6 cooktop in a 30-inch size. The center burner delivers strong performance with 18,200 BTU and can easily accommodate a 12-inch pan. A total of 54,200 BTU from 5 burners is quite impressive. The sealed burners are easy to clean and produce even heat. You get a nice cast iron reversible griddle as an accessory. This is not mentioned in the item description, so it is a pleasant surprise.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.